my team loves when they love your feedback. So what are the things you feel we're doing really well that we have to continue to do? And what are some things that you want to see from us in the future?
No, I think you guys are doing an incredible job. I think one of my favorite things about Chexology is your ability to receive, retain, and then execute on feedback, right? You've made constant updates to your app and your services that you offer, and they're all, you know, relevant introductions to a new vertical for your company that I think that's great. You guys should really be proud of that. I mean, you made updates to the UX, right? It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's seamless. It's directly integrated into our PMS. And then you're only going to continue to build on top of that, right? Like, I love the tech. I love what you guys are doing. I'm pretty excited about all of the updates to the valet as well. I think that's going to be cool, especially when we do that thing with the, where you can see
Mm-hmm.
what's happening. You
Mm-hmm.
don't drop that nugget, but
Yeah.
that's pretty cool, man. Because now you're going to be able to free up that valet team from having to do a full blown walk around, right? Check all the little blemishes on the vehicle and then give someone a ticket that they have to sign off on, which once again is transactional, which I do not like.